Trystan. I work in Fleet for North Wales Police. The end goal for us as a department is to provide vehicles for frontline policing, and if we're able to maintain the vehicles and get them repaired and serviced as quickly as possible, it means that there's more vehicles available for frontline policing. So every year our fleet will travel roughly 9 million miles. So a typical day for me, every day is different. I oversee the fleet office itself, so we provide customer service for frontline policing to help keep the cars on the road. So in our internal workshop we do a lot of work in there around servicing and maintenance. We also do commissioning of the vehicles. In fleet we've got a total of 22 staff members. We've got a fleet of 600 vehicles in total. So every year we commission in-house between 80 and 100 vehicles. Every month as a department we carry out on average about 550 jobs. Engine replacements to headlight bulbs to blue light repairs, so all sorts of different jobs. If any of our vehicles have got defects or involved in any accidents or anything like that, we then process and manage that repair to that vehicle. We've also got our fleet stores where we keep brakes, oil filters, everything that we'd need to service and maintain the vehicle. We'd also keep stock of light bars, blue lights, sirens, all kind of different things. But the motor mechanics might do small repairs such as replacing brake pads or fixing blue lights issues, replacing headlight bulbs. In our internal workshop we carry out service and maintenance for roughly about 450 vehicles. We've got a MOT exemption certificate from the DVSA, so when a car comes in for service we will carry out the service and we will also do all the MOT checks. We service the vehicle to higher standards as well because of the type of roles that they're exposed to. Obviously some of the vehicles are exposed to using speed exemptions, so risk is always on the mind of the workshop. We also carry out all kind of different repairs, from suspension work to replacement engines to replacing clutches and gearboxes. Every year we commission between 80 and 100 new vehicles. We purchase a new vehicle. The new vehicle would arrive with us. We'd strip the interior of the vehicle. We'd remove the bumpers. The vehicle is unrecognisable when we commission it. And the reason for all this is we'll install all our electrical equipment, blue lights, all the controllers, sirens, light bars to the vehicle, and then we'll put it back together. And then at the end we've got a fully liveried police car with flashing blue lights and sirens going out of the door. We're currently looking at options around electric vehicles, where we've already been purchasing some of these vehicles in small numbers and feeding them into our fleet. This allows us to trial these vehicles to see what the limitations or benefits of having an electric vehicle would be.